Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake halo halo. This unique dessert masterfully blends the rich, creamy texture of a classic cheesecake with the vibrant, refreshing elements of the beloved Filipino halo halo. We will guide you through each crucial step, from preparing the smooth cheesecake base to artfully arranging the colorful, traditional toppings. Get ready to create a truly unforgettable treat that offers a delightful fusion of flavors and textures, perfect for any occasion. For the foundation of our cheesecake halo halo, we begin with a simple yet delicious graham cracker crust. Press this mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan, ensuring an even base. The luscious filling combines 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and a splash of fresh lime juice for brightness. Bake this at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes until just set. Now, let's prepare the vibrant halo halo toppings that will transform our cheesecake. You will need a colorful assortment of sweet beans, tender nata de coco, and rich yube jam. Don't forget fresh fruits like ripe jackfruit and sweet plantains, adding natural sweetness and texture. Crucially, have finely shaved ice ready, along with a generous drizzle of evaporated milk, which ties all these delightful components together for that authentic halo halo experience. For the grand finale, ensure your cheesecake is thoroughly chilled, ideally for at least 4 hours. Carefully layer the prepared halo halo toppings generously over the entire surface of the cheesecake. Crown your creation with a scoop of creamy yube ice cream and a sprinkle of toasted pinnipig for an irresistible crunch. Serve this magnificent dessert immediately to savor the incredible contrast of cool, refreshing halo halo elements with the rich, smooth cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.